To automark one bundle at a time, first select a piece from the desired bundle in the Pieces bar, then click the Nest One Bundle tool. The system calculates the most efficient layout of the pieces, for the default time limit. To automark the next bundle, click the Nest One Bundle tool again. The Nest One Bundle tool is different than the Place One Bundle tool. If you just want to quickly bring the pieces for a single bundle onto the marker, use the Place One Bundle tool. However, if you want the system to find the most efficient layout of the pieces, use the Nest One Bundle tool.